Hello everyone, welcome to High School Mathematics channel. Today we are going to learn Class 7 Chapter 2 Fractions, Decimals and Rational Numbers Exercise 2.2. See now first sum, find the product of the following. See the first bit in that 23.4 multiplied by 6. Now let us multiply them. 6 4s are 24, so 4 carry 2. 6 3s are 18 plus 2, 20, so 0 carry 2. 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14. Here decimal after only one digit is there, so right side onwards one digit before you place the decimal point. So the answer is 140.4. Now let us see the second sum, 681.25 multiplied by 9. 9 5s are 45. 5 carry 4. 9 2s are 18 plus 4, 22. 2 carry 2. 9 1s are 9, 9 plus 2, 11. 1 carry 1. 9 8s are 72 plus 1, 73. 3 carry 7. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 7, 61. Here decimal after 2 digits were present, so right side onwards 2 digits before we shall place the decimal point. So the answer is 6131.25. See now first question third sum, 53.29 multiplied by 14. Now let us see the multiplication. 4 9s are 36, 6 carry 3. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 1 carry 1. 4 3s are 12 plus 1, that is 13, 3 carry 1. 4 5s are 20 plus 1, 21. Now let us multiply by 1. 1 9s are 9, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 5s are 5. Let us add them now. 6, 1 plus 9, 10, 0 carry 1, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. 1 plus 3, 4, 2 plus 5, 7. Here decimal after 2 digits were there. So right side onwards 2 digits before we place the decimal point. So the answer is 746.06. See now fourth sum, 8 into 2.52. Let us multiply with 8 now. 8 2s are 16. 6 carry 1. 8 5s are 40 plus 1, 41. 1 carry 4. 8 2s are 16 plus 4, 20. Here decimal after 2 digits were there. Right side onwards 2 digits before we place the decimal point. So the answer is 20.16. Now let us see the fifth sum, 25 multiplied by 2.013. Let us see the solution. 2.013 multiplied by 25. First let us multiply by 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 carry 1. 5 1s are 5 plus 1, 6. 5 zeros are 0. 5 2s are 10. Now multiply by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 2s are 4. Let us add them now. 5. 6 plus 6, 12. 2 carry 1. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 4, 5. A decimal after 3 digits were there. Right side onwards 3 digits before we place the decimal point. So the answer is 50.325. See now question number 2. Fill the blanks in the table. Here multiplications were given and we have to write the products. See here first one, 36.21 multiplied by 10. Whenever we are going to multiply a decimal number by 10, we have to shift the decimal point one place towards right side. So the answer is 362.1. Now let us see second one, 23.104 multiplied by 100. Whenever we are multiplying a decimal number by 100, we have to shift the decimal place 2 digits right side. So the answer will be 2310.4, that is 2310.4. See now third one, 6.24 into blank. They have given answer 6240.0. Here decimal is 6 after. So how many places they moved? 1 2 3. 3 places before they place the decimal point. So we have to multiply by 1000. So 6.24 into 1000, answer we will get 6240. See now fourth one, blank multiplied by 1000, they got answer 21.05. So we had to shift this decimal point 3 places before. 0.02105 is the answer. What we have done is here, we shifted this decimal point 3 digits before. Here no value, we placed a 0. So 1, 2, 3. 3 digits before we placed the decimal point. So 0.02105 is the answer. See now fifth one, 9.234 multiplied by 100. Any number multiplied by 100, we have to shift this decimal point right side 2 digits after. So the answer will be 923.4. See now sixth one, 1.3004 into blank. Answer they have given 1300.4. Here decimal point is 1 after. So how many places we have to move? See here 1, 2, 3. 3 places before they place the decimal point. So since it is 3 places, we are going to multiply here 1000. So 1.3004 multiplied by 1000, you will get the answer 1300.4. See the last blank into 10, they got answer 59.001. For this answer, multiplied by 10, that's why you shift this decimal point 1 digit before. So the answer will be 5.9001. See now third question, find the product. First sum 5.1 multiplied by 8.1. Now let us see the multiplication. 1 ones are 1, 1 fives are 5. Next 8 ones are 8, 8 fives are 40. Now let us add them. 1, 5 plus 8, 13, 3 carry 1. 1 plus 0, 1, write on this 4. Here decimal after 1 digit, decimal after 1 digit. That is 1 plus 1, 2 digits. Right side onwards, 2 digits before you place the decimal point. So the answer is 41.31. See now second sum 63.205 multiplied by 0.27. Now let us see the multiplication. 7 5s are 35. 5 carry 3. 7 zeros are 0. 0 plus 3, 3. 7 2s are 14. 4 carry 1. 7 3s are 21 plus 1, 22. 2 carry 2. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 2, 44. Now let us multiply by 2. 2 5s are 10. 0 carry 1. 2 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 6 are 12. 0 into any number will be 0. So we are not multiplying there. Now let us see the answer. Here decimal after 3 digits. Here decimal after 2 digits. So 3 plus 2, 5 decimals were there. First let us add. With the final answer we shall place 5 digits before decimal point. Add now 5. 3 plus 0, 3, 4 plus 1, 5, 2 plus 4, 6, 4 plus 6, 10, 0 carry 1, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, write down 1. Now 5 digits before we are going to place the decimal point. So the answer is 17.06535. See now third question, third sum 1.321 multiplied by 0.9. Now let us multiply with 9 directly. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 8 carry 1. 9 threes are 27 plus 1, 28. So 8 carry 2. 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Now count the decimal places. Here point after, how many decimal places there? 3 numbers. Here decimal point after 1 digit. So 3 plus 1, 4. So right side onwards, 4 digits before if you place the decimal point. So the answer is 1.1889. If we multiply any number by 0, we get zeros only. So we not multiplied here by 0. Directly we multiplied by 9 and place the decimal. See now third question, fourth sum 6.51 multiplied by 0.99. 6.51 multiplied by 0.99. 9 ones are 9. 9 fives are 45. 5 carry 4. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 4, 58. Again multiply by 9, we get same answer. Add on 9, 5, 8, 5. Let us add them now. If we multiply by 0, we get the 0 only answer. So we are not multiplying by 0 here. Let us add now. 9. 5 plus 9, 14. 4 carry 1. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 4 carry 1. Again 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 4 carry 1. 1 plus 5, 6. Count the decimal places now. Here 2 digits, here 2 digits. 2 plus 2, 4. Right side onwards 4 digits before we place the decimal point. So the answer is 6.4449. See now third question, fifth sum, 837.6 multiplied by 0.006. Now let us multiply by 6 directly. 6 6 are 36, 6 carry 3, 6 7s are 42 plus 3, 45. So 5 carry 4. 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 4, 22. So 2 carry 2. 6 8s are 48 plus 2, that is 50. Here we are not going to multiply by 0. Why? Because 0 into any number will be 0. So directly we are going to place the decimal places. Here decimal point after 1 digit, here decimal after 3 digits. So 1 plus 3, 4. So right side onwards 4 digits before we place the decimal point. So the answer is 5.0256. Today we have seen chapter 2 exercise 2.2 to 3 sums. In the next video we shall see remaining sums of exercise 2.2. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.